Hello, today I will show you how to enable or disable high contrast mode in Windows 11. Step 1, open Settings and access Contrast Themes. Open the Settings app on Windows 11. In the left-hand menu, click Accessibility. And on the right-hand side, click on Contrast Themes. Step 2, apply or disable high contrast theme. At the top, preview the available high contrast themes: aquatic, desert, dusk, night sky. To enable a theme, select one from the drop-down, click Apply, and wait a few seconds. To disable the theme and return to normal, select None from the drop-down, click Apply, and wait a few seconds. That's it. You've now learned how to enable or disable high contrast themes in Windows 11. These themes are especially helpful for users with vision impairments. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.